Hey YouTube, what's going on? Check this out. Not sure what kind of tree this is. It does look like food, but I could be wrong. Does anyone know what this is? It's extremely hard. I don't think it's food. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bust one open. I think it's like an acorn, maybe. See if I can identify it.
I don't know.
See if it got a scent. Wow.
We can open home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open this at home. I'll let y'all know what it is. Thanks for watching. Peace. So I cut this open, and this is a white sapote.
Do you know sapote? No.
Sapote.
Sapote.
S-A-P-O-T-E. Sapote.
Sapote.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna eat this.
We collect in the osprey. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this was a white sapote. You know what? I am gonna try a little piece.
Picture, put the Google, and you will say what it is.
I am kind of dairy.
In outside seems to avocado. Yeah. In outside. Mm-hmm.
Real plain taste.
No. I
don't like it. I don't think it's ready to eat, but
it's avocado.
I'm good.
It's avocado.
I give it like a 1. It's that. All right. Peace.